ICP price prediction. In the last ICP video, it was on the 19th of September. I said we'll have 2 days of dips. We did have 2 days of dips, and right now we actually have longs at an all-time low. We have so many longs closed. We've bottomed down very strong. We still don't have VWAP curvature, but I have an incredible amount of value that I want to show in this video. Obviously, no financial advice. So what we'll be waiting for is VWAP curve up. I would say that. I'll explain what that means in a little bit. Daily chart, VWAP up, 3 hour, 20 long break. So, and then we long, right? This is what I'll be waiting for to enter me long. So this is the 20 strength. I've managed to get this indicator to a strength index. This on the 3 hour, this is the daily. What we will be looking for is a break above the 20 right now, and then we want this gray thing to curve up. That's it, and then we long. This will equals long. Long for ATR or half ATR. So look at the ATR, which is 21.6, and I'll measure either 21.6 move or a, so that's gonna be a juicy 4.4% or a 2.2% move, basically, just like that. And that's all we need, by the way, per day. 2.6% compounded per day is over 3.3% total per month. So you'll be doubling your account by just doing one of these trades every day. So this is exactly how I'm planning to play ICP out. Let me know your thoughts, how you want to approach the market, especially in this at this time. I would love to know more about your strategy. And also I'll have some resources in the description down below if you want to learn a little bit more from me, plus 8K worth of bonuses from BingX, which just closed for some reason, but here we go. I'll open them again. You can get, and also now you have 1v1 showdowns, which is very fun. Definitely do check it out. There's a prize pool of 3 mil. There's also 8 grand worth of gifts for you if you sign up. So yeah, see you next video.